Greetings, my name is Stephen Myers, and this is a train I'm building. Anyway, it's 1/8 scale, so the dimension between the rails is 7.5 inches, and it is here in Coquille, Oregon, and I'm making it for the grandkids. And hopefully I can get enough track to get all the way around the house. So that's my goal now. This winter I worked on a lot of the rolling stock and got quite a few of the cars done. So that was great progress. And now that the weather's better, I need certainly some more track to get around the house. A good friend of mine, Don Ford, gave me some track. So, but now I'm in the market for some more track. But anyway, I'll back up and you can see the train in motion. Here's our engine. It's electric, 12 volt, has two batteries, and it's made out of a mobility scooter. And there's the controller. Here's the engineer's car, and we have a couple of cars here that have these stadium seats. These cars are reversible. They all are reversible. You can just take the seat off, put it over here. So that's cool. So I got two of those that sort of match. Then I made a car here that can hold two smaller grandkids, and one on each end, or it can hold like tools, you know, our lunchbox, water bottles, and all kinds of stuff. We're going to have this track here, but we're also going to go to Train Mountain and other tracks around the region and ride the train on those tracks. So hopefully I can get this done. And if anyone knows of any track or even rail or even switches, I need several switches. I'm going to put a siding here on the driveway, and then in the backyard I'm going to put a Y. So we need several switches. If anyone knows you know, a surplus, I've already spent more money on this than I thought I would, so that's what I'm looking for now, is more track. So hopefully someone watching can you know, spread the word, tell other people about the train here in Coquille that I'm making, called Steve's Train. And there's certainly a lot more to do on it. It's pretty simple. You know, it's nothing elaborate, but it has a whole bunch of fun associated with it. So thank you for watching, and send me a message or a comment on the video, and hopefully someone will know someone that has some fun. So thank you very much. Ready? Okay, well, now I'm going to head back into the train barn and start working on the train some more. And the dog and I wish you bye-bye, and aloha, and all aboard, and sayonara. Bye now.